So today we are going to cook a very delicious non-veg Indian dish. So first what we need is coriander, zira. Now we will roast this little bit. Burn this. Just we need to roast little bit. So it is done. Now keep aside. So this is done. Now a little bit ginger and garlic. Black pepper, bay leaf, cardamom, big cardamom, black cinnamon, and this is one thing is shahi zira. Little bit of javitri. These whole spices we will use. Whole spices. For this dish we will use pressure cooker, and this is not a mutton korma. So we have 1 kg meat. So 3 big cooking spoon oil, or you can use ghee also. Ginger, julienne, and whole spices. Now add onions. And now we need to roast this little bit. Now we will add whole red chili. Now we will add meat. Onions also, remaining onions. Now let it cook this for 2-3 minutes like this. Now we will add ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, and turmeric. Very well like this, and let it cook 5-6 minutes. Right now we will add 50 gram. Tomatoes optional. If you want, you can add 2 tomatoes like this big piece chunk. That's it. Coriander and zira. See, now it's start boiling. So now we will cover it and will cook 14-15 minutes. Now you can remove this thing from tomatoes, and now we will move to next step, that is called bhuai, the most important part in Indian cooking. Now we need to roast on high flame. Green chilies, garam masala, roasting this for 5-6 minutes. Little bit red chili powder. Now cover it again and let it cook for 5-6 minutes. And now we will garnish with cilantro, fresh coriander. So mutton stew is ready. Yes, this dish called mutton stew, and this is my mother's recipe and it's really very tasty. Try this delicious meat recipe, mutton stew. You can eat this with any kind of Indian bread. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care. Dasvidanya.